No. What you're on about? You said that you're being kicked out.
He's gonna come in a minute and tell you. I can see that. I can see it. He's gonna come any second now.
Yeah, and then what? You ain't gonna be able to afford 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Oh, wait. This is about to go then. Oh, shit.
Well, you need to be ringing up the RSPCA and getting them on. Because I'm telling you now, they got to your arm. Mum, they have... Mum, that's bullshit.
I mean, you can come back there again, but I'll just be careful to come.
That is bullshit, and you need it.
I bet you can get that.
Yeah, so have I.
Get
so
him a toy.
Have I, right? And it still don't make the key underneath me. Right down the bottom.
How about this?
And I had to ring them as well. Because someone reported me that I wasn't looking after my cat properly.
He's healthy, man.
He is,
look at him. He's healthy, man. If he went healthy, look how shiny his skin is.
I know.
His skin's too shiny. He's too healthy. Well, too healthy, man. But he's happy and everything.
Well, not being funny. Granville don't pay for anything for her. So it's not Granville's dog, it's your dog. And she's on her legs, and it's on her last legs anyway, and that's being cruel. Trying to keep her alive any longer.
No, Rico, he's vexed, man. Allow him. He's tired, look at him. Look, he's going to be knackered tonight. Yeah, he's dead, man.
See, yellow and better. You're in.
Everything.
Yeah, no.
No, RSPCA, sorry.
I rang.
Yeah, right.
Listen,
Yeah.
right? I got about 20 numbers on my pad. From. Hang on. How many is on his paperwork? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers on his paperwork.
Oh.
Rico, let me see that video.
Oh. We'll cut up to the cat. Oh.
Yeah, well,